Emma baked 80 more cupcakes than tarts at her bakery. This is a comparison at first. At first, she baked 80 more cupcakes than tarts. She baked twice as many pies as cupcake. So, which means the pie is actually 2 times more the number of cupcake. Okay, now she's comparing between the cupcake and the pies. She sold 1/4 of her cupcakes and half of her tarts. She didn't sell any pie. Each statement below is either true, false, or not possible to tell from the information given above. For each statement, put a tick in the correct column. So you have a statement saying, Emma sold more cupcake than tarts. The answer given by your friend is true. The correct answer is not possible to tell. This is the correct answer. Why is that so? Because the problem does not give the number of cupcake and tarts at first. Do they give anything? They just say there is more cupcakes than tarts. That's all. But did I say the number exactly? I did not, right? So we cannot assume that because the number of cupcakes is more than tarts, the number of cupcake and tarts at first baked are more, which means she will be selling more cupcake than tarts. No, cannot assume. Okay, we cannot assume. All right. Okay. Then for example, for your number, okay, we can just give one example lah. Let's say if Emma had 100 cupcake at first. Let's say, just put a number. Let's say she have 100 cupcakes at first. Okay, so if she have 100 cupcake at first, which means her number of tarts will be 20, correct? How do I get that? Because she have 80 more cupcakes than tarts. This one is if. This is case number 1. If Emma have 100 cupcakes. This is if. I never say the question say. I put an example. Okay. So if she have 100 cupcakes, then her tarts will be 100 minus 80 equals to 20 tarts. Okay, so she have 100 cupcakes, she have 20 tarts. Then what happened? She sold 1/4 of her cupcake. Okay, so sold for cupcake will be 1/4 times 100. And then sold for tart will be half times 20. Okay, then we find out. This is 1/4 of 100 is 25. Then here is 10, right? Then, can we say that Emma sold more cupcakes than tart? Emma sold more cupcakes than tart? This one is okay. But what if I give you another scenario? Let's say now Emma, this is case number 2. Now Emma have more cupcake, 1,000 cupcake. Are you short form, CC, okay? So if Emma have 1,000, then the tarts will be 1,000 minus 80, and I get 920 tarts T. Okay, so when she sold the cupcake, it will be 1/4 of 1,000. This will give me 250. Then for the sold tarts will be half times 920 equals to 460. Can you see that now my sold cupcakes and tarts is no longer what that statement say? Emma sold more cupcakes and tarts? No, no longer, right? So we cannot assume. Just because the cupcakes are more than tarts at first, that it will be, when it's sold also, it will always be more. Cannot be. Okay, it cannot be. It depends on what is the exact number. So this is not right. The answer is A. Okay, now B. Emma had at least a total of 231 pies and cupcakes left altogether. So the answer here is not this, but true. It is true. Okay, why is that so? I'm going to do on the left hand side here. Okay, why is this true? Because since she have 80 more cupcakes than tarts at first and sold 1/4 of her cupcake, the least number of her cupcakes that she could have at first is 80 plus 4. Okay. 84. She could not have sold 1/4 of 81 or 1/4 of 82 or 1/4 of 83. Why? Why must it be 80 plus 4 to get 84? This is the least number. This is the least number of cupcakes. Why can't I have 81, 82, or 83? Because cannot be divided by 4. Because I sold 1/4, right? So when I say I sold 1/4 times 84, I can get a precise number without any remainder. But if I were to take anything lesser than 84, like 81, 82, 83, there will be remainder. There will be remainder. So I cannot use any numbers lesser than 84. Okay, so this is one reason. So for example, so she will also have started with 84 minus 80. So the tarts will be about 4 tarts. So this is the least lah. This is the least number of tarts. Least number of tarts and least number of cupcake. Least number, least number. Now we continue. So she will also have started with 4 tarts, and 84 times 2. So for example, this is 4 tarts, right? Then they say she also baked twice as many pies as cupcake. So pies will be twice, which means as your cupcakes, 84 times 2. Cupcake is 84, right? Then times 2, because pies is twice. Pies is twice. So this will be 168. Okay, right? So after the sale, the number of cupcakes left after the sale, you have cupcakes left will be 3/4 times 84. You know how I get my 3/4? I take 1 whole minus 1/4. Okay, I get 3/4 equals to 63. So pies no sale. There was no selling of any pie. Did not sell any pies. So the pies remains the same. The pies 168 remains the same. So 168 plus 63 equals to 231. So the answer is correct, right? There, the answer is right. So they say at least. At least means the minimal, the smallest. That's why I went and find the least number. The least number. Can you see why I find the least? Because they say the least total. Okay, answer is not possible to tell and true, right?